Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create the super cute puppy pop out animations, an effect where your photo comes to life and a tiny puppy pops up from your hands. It's adorable and fun, and it only takes a few minutes to make. Okay, let's get started. First, just open PixVerse, and then you can use PixVerse with web versions or PixVerse app like this. And then next once you open PixVerse, just log in using your Google account. And don't worry, PixVerse will give free daily credit so you can generate this effect without spending anything. And then next, once you're inside the app or inside the web, just head to the template sections and then just scroll to the available effects and look for the pocket puppy. This one, just tap on it. Okay, like this. This is the magical template that will transform your still image into an animations where a tiny puppy jumps out from your hands like it's living inside your photo. Next, just tap on use template and then just choose your photo. Make sure the photo has a face that clearly visible for the best result, like this. And then after selecting your photo, just simply tap on create. It will take 20 credits. Just tap on it and then go back and then go to mine and then go to video and wait for the process. Okay, like this, just look at this. Your photo is now moving and a tiny puppy pops out of your hands like a little animated surprise like this. It's super adorable, super smooth and perfect for maybe TikTok, Reels, Shorts or any cute content that you want to post online. And okay, maybe that's it. That's how you can create the Pocket Puppy pop-up animations in just a few minutes using PixVerse. If you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!